Today we're looking at the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in a sterling gray metallic. This one is powered by a 3.0 liter DURAMAX diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. And of course up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll wheel here on the left-hand side, and right below that, we have our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start, our trailer brake controls, our dual climate controls to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, additional storage down below with our 2 cup holders, our shifter, more storage here along the side, and inside of our middle console we have our wireless charging pad to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, our AC outlet, and additional storage down below. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and of course down below you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, our heated steering wheel control, and of course our cruise control settings. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in rear view camera. And of course up top, you'll find our universal home garage opener, our power controls for our rear power sliding window, and our power controls for our lovely sunroof up top. Jumping onto the back seats here, we still have our jet black interior leather seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course, in the middle, we have our USB-C and USB charge ports to go alongside our 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, in the seats itself, we have some more cubbies, as well as underneath. In the middle, we have our cup holders. And last but not least, we have our rear power sliding window that I mentioned earlier. Checking out the exterior here on the Trail Boss, we do have our blacked out GMC badge in the middle of our black grille, red tow hooks at the bottom, with our LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. Down below, we do have our 20-inch black rims on our Goodyear Wrangler tires. Up top, we have our black accent side mirrors to go alongside with our handles with keyless entry. Black running boards along the bottom, and tint in the rear window. If we make our way to the back here, we do have our tonneau cover up top, our Trail Boss decal along the side, and our corner assist steps here on each side as well. This vehicle also does come equipped with a dual chrome exhaust, as well as the multi-pro tailgate here at the back. And that is our 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss in a sterling gray metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.